James and Dave here, and welcome to Money Printer, where you can literally get money on demand. All you have to do is follow the simple strategy. Now, the copy on the sales page is not long. It doesn't have to be. You and I and Dave, all of us here in this moment, recognize where we are. Things aren't great. People are getting shot that are political people. Stocks are tanking. Crypto is not where it should be right now. Things aren't great. A lot of people are struggling. But you know what? Even though we understand that and we empathize with that, Dave and I are doing the best we've ever done. And that's not to brag, that's not to boast, but that's just to say, you know what? We've made our own economy. We've made the ability to just not necessarily have to worry about what's going on in the world, because we can literally push a button and get money on demand. If our car breaks down and I need $2,000, I literally hit a button and that money comes to me. This is not woo-woo stuff. This is real. We have literal and figuratively money printers. That's what we have. We can do what we want on demand and not have to worry about what the rest of the world's doing. Now, would you like to be a part of that? Would you like to be able to say, yeah, when I want to, when I feel like it, I want to get more money. I want to get traffic on demand. I want to literally be able to push a button and get money. If that's what you want, then you need Money Printer.
So James and I have been using this method for years and years, and we've perfected it. And it's amazing. It really is that simple. We push a button, we get money. And that's what we're going to show you how to do in the Money Printer system. It is really a super simple system. But here's the thing, even though it's simple, it's super, super powerful. It's highly leveraged. And once you set this up and we show you exactly how to do it, then you are free from the economy. Whether the economy is good, whether the economy is bad, right now things aren't so great, right? And not just in the US, but in the whole world. Things are kind of rough out there, right? People are getting unemployed, people are losing jobs, people are losing businesses. But you can rise above it with this strategy, and you can rise above it. And from this point forward, not just in the next few months, but the next few years, decades even, you'll be riding the wave above any economic downturns, anything like that. That's how powerful this is. And that's why we think this is the perfect time to share with you our Money Printer system. So be sure to check out the page down below. You're going to be able to see exactly what we're talking about. And we look forward to seeing you on the inside. And we really look forward to seeing your success stories with the Money Printer system.